If you're experiencing FPS drops in Elden Ring, there are several steps you can take to improve performance. Follow this guide to help stabilize your gameplay. Step 1. Update graphics drivers. Ensure that your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the official website of your GPU manufacturer, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel and download the latest drivers for your graphics card. Step 2. Adjust in-game settings. Lower the graphics settings in Elden Ring. Navigate to the settings menu and reduce options such as resolution, texture quality, and shadow quality to see if performance improves. Step 3. Disable background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background that may be consuming system resources. This includes web browsers, streaming software, and other programs that may affect performance. Step 4. Optimize Windows settings. Adjust your Windows settings for better performance. Go to the Control panel, select System, and then click on Advanced System Settings. Under the Performance section, choose Adjust for best performance to disable visual effects. Step 5. Check hardware performance. Monitor your system's hardware performance using tools like Test Manager or MSI Afterburner. Ensure that your CPU and GPU are not overheating and that your system meets the recommended specifications for Elden Ring. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your FPS while playing Elden Ring. Enjoy your gaming experience.